When testing a claim about a population mean, where the population standard deviation is known, this is what we consider to be a rare case. You'll often know that you need to use this when you'll see wording such as, assume the population standard deviation is, or it is known that the population standard deviation is. Any of these verbiages is going to indicate that you're going to need to use the z-test calculator feature. This is in the test area, and it's the first one on your screen. Whether you're given original data or summary statistics, your rounding rule is going to be the same. You are finding a z-score. And previously when you found a z-score, you did this using INV norm. INV norm is a way that you are always able to find a test statistic. So just like INV norm, since we are using the z-test feature to find a z-score, we're going to be using the same rounding rule of 2 decimals. So when you're over here on original data and you highlight data, again, you're going to open up all of the individual components that you're going to be required to show, such as z-test, that you're inputting data, and so on. Again, remember that mu sub 0 relates to your null hypothesis with units. And that's the same whether you are given original data or summary statistics. Again, remember the symbol for sigma represents the population standard deviation, and you're going to want to describe this with units. This is something that must be known to you or given to you in the problem. On your data side, you'll again describe what is going into your list with units. Your frequency stays 1 to use the data only one time. And then mu will relate to h sub 1 regardless of the original data or the summary statistics. When you toggle over to the summary statistics, you'll notice that you also will need to include the sample mean and the number sampled in your entries. And you've previously seen this when we talked about the z-interval feature. Make sure that you list all these components in the order that is shown to you on your paper for your work submission for full credit, and include units when given.